my car. I am on the way to my mom's house because I have to, oh my God. I have to make these cupcakes for Josh's party tonight. So I have a day full of surprises for him. He does not know not one thing of what we're doing. So today's going to be very interesting because he always gets me with the surprises. And he thinks he can't be surprised, but little does he know, I have some tricks up my sleeve. So I have surprised him. So we're going to see how this goes.
Like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics.
So we are at surprise one. Dinner.
Virgo season.
So, how you like surprise one so far?
I'm ready to eat.
We are at Rio in City Center. I don't know why I was looking down there. I'm so good at the camera, but yep, we'll show you more once we order and get food and wine. Look at our food and drinks. So our food has come out.
It's time to rub.
And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, this food looks good as I don't know what. Like, are you ready? Are you ready to dive in?
Man, I've been ready. You playing games.
We are now at Surprise 2. Joshua thinks we are going to Dave & Buster's, but little does he know, it is something better than that. Oh, this is so great.
Hello! My name is Mr. TikTok. Welcome to my house of cards. All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Josh.
My name is Mr. TikTok. Welcome to my house. Enjoy yourself, boss.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Keep moving forward, babe.
Joshua. Oh my God, I do not like this.
Oh.
I do not like this. Welcome to mi casa. Come on, you gotta show them our house. Look, this is our pet stingray.
And it's made out of gummy bears and I guess lemon heads.
I just told them
Jawbreakers.
I just told them this is like our MTV cruise, and that this is our pet. This is our pet stingray. What else is in our house?
peaches. I like to call these peaches because both of their mouths open up wide.
You get on my nerves.
And here we have, I don't know what this is. What is
A seahorse.
seahorse? It's like a piano. Hey, that's a good picture.
Really?
Alright, come on.
Don't lean on it. Oh, look at this next one. Oh wow, I was like, oh my god, the people walking towards the mirror look just like us. So I realized there's a mirror. Okay guys, we are driving to our third destination. Today is Sunday, so yesterday was full of fun and partying. So yeah, Josh, do you know what do you think we about to go do?
Shit, skydive.
We will see. So we are here at the third place. Were you surprised, Joshua?
Mm-hmm. Very, very, very.
And he's still gonna be
And
surprised.
It's very much needed.
It is very much needed. But see, the thing is that he doesn't know what else we have plans in here. Stay tuned. So we are in our massage room where we are getting our massage, the jacuzzi, and facial. How you feeling, honey?
Ooh, I'm feeling good. Couldn't be better.
Well, guys, we will see you. So we have our little food tray, our mimosas, and a jacuzzi.
I think you're truly something special.